Hi, the purpose of this video today is to show you how to begin using the Franchise Alliance Leads Manager. Now, when you sign up for Franchise Alliance Leads and you purchase leads, you're going to get a welcome email. That welcome email will have information in there about using your account and getting started. And also, each time you get a lead through FranchiseAllianceLeads.com, you will get a link on the bottom of that lead that says to log in to view this lead online, click here, and it's going to bring you to this page. So first things first, let's get set up here. Now I'm using a tester account, and you will need a username and password, which will be given to you once we set you up in the system. So again, I'm going to log in, and basically we're going to go and take a look at a sample lead that I've set up. Now, pretty simple. There's not too many tabs on here. Some of the tabs will never be really relevant to you. So I'm going to focus today just on the leads tab, which is really what the bulk of what you're going to be doing is spending time in the leads section looking at your leads. Now, I've set up a lead in here. So when you buy leads from FranchiseAllianceLeads.com from the program, you're essentially going to get your leads emailed to you, to your email box. We may ask you for backup email as well, just because sometimes emails do get caught up in spam folders and that kind of stuff. So we ask you for two emails. One will be public and one will be private, meaning that the backup email, no one will see it except you. Your lead won't know it exists. So that's where you can use your personal email. It doesn't really matter. So anyway, we're going to email the lead to you directly, and then we're also going to load that lead into your account, which is what we're looking at here. So right here I have a sample lead accessed, and essentially it's the leads tab, and if I had 50 leads in here, all the leads would show, but right now this account I have just the one. So I'm going to click on the lead to view it, and you can see the basic information about the lead. So let's just assume this lead is fresh, just showed up into the system, and is now ready to be contacted. So I can dial the number, which is obviously fake here, but let's say I dial the number and I get a voicemail message. So I hit the edit button. I'll go back and do that again for you. We go into the lead section, we click on here, we can view the lead, and I've now called and left Mr. Bill Smith a voicemail message. So I want to update my program here. I want to see what it looks like, see what the page looks like in editing, so I can go into edit and then look at the lead status to see what corresponds. So first call attempt, I left a message but I didn't get through. So I'm going to hit first call attempt. Now under lead status, what that's going to do, it's going to tell you the status of that lead, but it's also going to allow you to send them an email message based on what you try to do with that lead. So there are a lot of different options in there. I hit first call attempt. Now, what you're seeing here is this pop-up box is a message going out to the lead based on what we've done. Now there are some custom messages in there, or rather templated messages in there that you can customize if you'd like to. So for example, the lead's name is Bill Smith, so it's going out to Bill Smith. Here's his email. The subject line is, Bill, sorry I missed you today. Hi Bill, I was not able to reach you, so on and so forth. Well, there's three things you need to know about this email that's going to go out. One, you can send it as is and just hit send email, and it will send the email as is to Bill, which will cover the basis. It definitely is written in a way so it's open-ended, tells them that you try to call them, happens automatically, so you don't really have to worry about it. It goes out. So that's your first option, send it as is. The second option is, let's say Bill's voicemail message had something funny on it, or maybe Bill lived in the town that you grew up in. Well, you could add that and say, hi Bill, I just left you a message and I can't stop smiling after hearing your voicemail. Again, a little bit of customization. You have the choice to do that, and then you can hit send. So you can customize it, you can change it, you can make it a little bit personalized if you want to. If you don't like part of it, you can just plain old delete it and then hit send email. So your first option is send it as is. Your second option is to modify it slightly, just tweak it here or there. Or the third option is just hit cancel. You hit cancel and the email goes away and you will not have sent that person an email. So essentially what this aspect will do for you is by changing the status, the lead status through the edit button, you're going to be able to send different messages out to your lead and basically speed up your process, and then also hit them professionally quickly so that when you leave them a voicemail message or you connect with them or you have a consultation scheduled with them, whatever it may be, you're going to be able to send them a message that corresponds with them. And there are additional things you can do with the program right now, but today's video is just to show you how to get started and how to get you into the mix so that your client you'll be able to contact your client rather quickly and easily using the CRM system.